Larissa, welcome to my channel. It's that time of my life. I move out of one apartment and go to another. It's the stressful part of my life. I've moved out 3 or 4 times now, and this is going to be the fourth time I'm moving out. But this time it's going to be intense because I'm moving out I'm going to a new city altogether, new town in fact, and nothing but excited. But right now I'm just so stressed. Stay to watch the whole series of moving out and setting up my new place. Guys, I'm gonna love it. The situation of the house right now. This is what it looks like. I can't believe it. There's literally nothing here. Everything is packed. Remember the first time I moved in here? Oh my god. Just reached this place and things are already packed because my mom came here. But a little bit of a misadventure in the morning. My car broke down. The tire was punctured. There was gas leak in the car, and we're supposed to take that car tomorrow to Goa, like driving it from Thane, Goa. And these will take the stuff in the truck, obviously. Happened, and it took like 2 hours of my time, and I was like, why does it have to happen today? But thank god, in place are like my important things that I will be needing 2 days. All velvet blooms sent me these bouquets. Actually, this one sent from a friend, and this sent from the and I think it's so thoughtful because it's like a farewell bouquet, and who doesn't love flowers? And actually last me I think 3-4 days. So I'm actually going to take these to go in the car. And they smell so good. Packing everything, and under the carpet, it's dusty obviously. Found this that says, the best view comes after the hardest climb. And so apt for the situation. Like, it's going to be a hard climb, this moving process. But after I'm all settled in, it's going to feel so good and like totally worth it. And you are not even ready. Oh my god, it's so beautiful from outside. I have to decorate it from the inside, but from the outside, so nice. And yeah, I'm not to an apartment, I'm moving to a house, so I'm excited about that. Everything today, they're going to be done by 4 p.m, 6 p.m max, and immediately, because it's a interstate moving, they are only to move after p.m, so they're going to move 11 p.m, and they reach tomorrow. They will reach Goa tomorrow at 1 p.m. They're going to reach Goa, but start unpacking immediately. They'll start packing the day after that. So they're going to start unpacking on the 2nd of December. So that I'm not moving to Goa right now. I'll move tomorrow in the morning and afternoon, I guess, and be house to myself for 1 day, and then the 2nd they'll come back. At this, guys, here you wouldn't know, but all of this is painted by me. This wall was painted by me. I mean, I painted it myself. I didn't even call the painter. This was like done and painted by me. There's a video on this. Even this one wall was painted by me. This wall and all those pictures you see over there, everything was done by me. And I will be needing a day bag because I'm there for a day. Need like one clothes or something like that, and my basics is my night bag. It has like moisturizer and toothbrush. It's not, my toothbrush is not in it. It could be, but everything else that I might need, face mask. Oh, trust me. You know, there's one more very funny thing. Whenever I move out, I get breakouts. That's the only time my skin faces any problems. Otherwise, I'm blessed with good skin. I do take care of it a lot, but whenever I get stressed, it shows on my face. Now, don't have like any makeup on my face, if you can see it. Here and here, there's like breakouts over here also on my, and I've never seen like pimples or acne on my skin. I felt so weird, so I was just too stressed about it. It's about being stressed. That's me. Damn funny when it comes to all of this. Anybody else who faces problems when they're stressed, please comment below. 1 p.m. and I think like done with the packing. They'll load it in the, and that's it. Talk a little about how I'm to this house. I've heard about moving out from this place. I've been here for 2 years, and this house has seen so much of me. It's seen me growing, it's seen me crying, it's seen me down, it's me win, and me in all peace of mind. Also, one of the houses I've never been scared in. You know, we also scared in houses, especially if you're like me, scared of ghosts in the night. I've never felt that over here. And nice vibe, you know. All my friends came in here and they loved. We partied here so much. We've partied every time and we've had such a good time. We used to like hang around over here so much, and we've had so much of. I don't believe to come to an end, you know, to beginnings. So I leave that, but I'm just so attached. Okay guys, I have a bit of a surprise here. My very, very special coach has come to bid me farewell with some yummy laddus. Protein laddus. Oh god, this is so good. Your mom made these, right?
Yes, my mom makes.
Oh, amazing. And Sakshi has gotten me some beautiful flowers. Thank you so much. It's the way to my heart. Bedroom is literally empty. But this used to be my walk-in closet. Oh my god, that's my Christmas tree. Thing is empty. Done. Almost done. It's 5 p.m. 10 a.m. So much stuff in my house. I can't even believe it. So I have come upstairs to have a look at the loading of the truck and all happening. There. Then good job. Now I have some stuff in my car that I need to transfer. The stuff I picked all these lamps up from yesterday. They're all cane lamps, and I'm gonna put all of this up in my new house. I just have to transfer it to the truck. So this was the view from my house. I'm gonna miss it so much. I'm gonna miss it. Oh god. I've had so many like moments. This view. I've had so many thoughts. This view. I've gotten so many ideas while just sitting here and looking at the view. It's so nice to move on, but I'm so attached to this place. Oh my god.
I'm feeling very emotional leaving this place because almost 2 years I used to come up and down. I used to do from my house to Larissa di Casa. Casa di Larissa. I like this place. Now she's moving far away from us, but still it will be like hop, skip and jump. Every now going to Goa, and by flight maybe it will take 5 hours. I can reach her, or she can come down. But I think now she's going to Goa. She will get many offers to come to Bombay, so she will visit us more often now.
Sir, help me with the packing and मेरा सामान पैक करके कैसा लगा? बहुत ज़्यादा था क्या सामान? नहीं, सच बोलो। हाँ, ये बोल रहे हाँ।
ज़्यादा नहीं, मीडियम था।
मीडियम
था ज़्यादा, ऐसा सामान नहीं था।
अच्छा। Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, look who's here! Prasad is here to help me out with my car. 2 cars here parked.
Good, I'm helping you since morning, by the way.
So when?
Came here around 10.
What lies? What a liar. What a fucking liar. Oh my god. House is completely empty. Feels so weird. We partied here so much.
Never party like that.
Don't lie. What a lie. We partied here so much, especially in the last few days. We partied so
You're
much.
going somewhere here.
What?
You're going somewhere here.
I am going to
Yes, sir.
Goa. So this is the final moment. Countdown and off. It feels really emotional to leave this place because I have grown so much here. This is my last hug with one of my favorite walls. I'm gonna miss you, but to a new beginning. Woo! Okay guys, it's the 30th of November and tomorrow, that's in the morning, early morning, I go to Goa. Today is 30th, that means tomorrow is the 1st, which means it's my best friend's birthday. And I'm really upset that I can't spend the day with her or like celebrate, but you know, because lockdown that was supposed to be announced, but that didn't happen, and because of that I had to postpone my going, and we are going to surprise her. Woo. So we are on the way to her place. She has no idea because I'm supposed to go early in the morning, but I will.
I texted her that you're coming.
What the fuck?
No, I didn't.
Idiot. Has no idea and excited. She's brought a new cat. Excited to see the cat as well. I'm gonna call her and wish her so that she feels that I'm at home and calling her. Birthday to you. अरे मैं कुछ सुबह उठने का तैयार इसलिए मैं नहीं आई. हाँ तो मेरे लिए तो रुक काट लीजिए. Happy birthday! तो कहीं नहीं. Oh damn! Shit यार. Shit. दीदी.
Happy birthday.
नया कैमरा. दीदी, my new pet.
झुक रहा.
Get up.
Meow. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Meow. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
आता मला आवडायला लागला.
मला मांजर
तुला
आवडतं.
सगळंच आवडते. तुला काय नाही आवडत.
This is so much better, यार.
Yeah.
In colors and all.
Yeah.
कोणचा ये वाला?
The Sony
ये उल्टा है.
ZV.
इनका.
Sony ZV1.
और ये उल्टा भी होता है ना, इसका मस्त है. स्क्रीन उल्टा होता है, that is very nice.
So this is so much better than Canon color wise.
It is.
ना?
Yeah.
Nice. अच्छा है. See my hair color. Did you see my new hair?
काहीच आवडत नाही.
नाही माहिती आहे, मी first time